The cost of quality, COQ, is the cost incurred by a company to ensure that a product meets a consumer's requirement. Quality costs can be grouped into three costs, that being preventative costs, which are accumulated through ensuring that a process provides good quality products and services. These can include planning costs, product design costs, investment in quality-related information systems.
Appraisal costs are incurred during the process of uncovering defects and can include costs of quality inspections, product testings, and performing audits, etc. And failure costs are costs incurred to correct quality, and these can be internal and external failure costs. Internal being cost of discarding poor quality materials, reworking and procuring new stock, etc. Whilst external being costs of trying to salvage the company's reputation, customer service costs, and so forth.
Costs of conformance arise from the need to keep defects from happening at all times, preventative costs, or from detecting defects through inspection and audits, appraisal costs. And the costs of non-conformance are those costs accrued when dealing with and discarding or repairing defective products.
The quality cycle is known as the Deming cycle or PDSA cycle and consists of a repetition of 4 steps: plan, do, check, act. And it was intended for quality control purposes and proposed continuous improvements in quality of products and experiments, etc. And quality circles are small groups of people meeting frequently to examine data and look for quality problems and try to identify solutions to these problems.
Benchmarking is also an important process of comparing a company's products and services against that of another business. This can be done internally or against industry and competitors, or completely outside of the industry altogether.
Total quality management requires that a record is kept of every inspection and every defect, and statistical quality control is the use of statistical methods in the monitoring and maintaining of the quality of products and services. The 3 most common types of statistical process control tools are histograms, run charts, and control charts.
And control charts fall into 2 main types, variable and attribute, which you can read all about in your practitioner's guides.
All products have design specifications, and process capability is the ability of the manufacturing process followed to meet these specifications.
Process capabilities and quality control studies are similar in some ways as they both use statistical studies, but process capabilities look more at the machines used in the processing rather than the output or the products from the processes.
2 parts of process capability are: 1. Measure the variability of the output of a process. 2. Compare that variability with a proposed specification or product tolerance. Then we have process shifts and process drifts, which is a type of short-term to long-term variation during manufacturing, which needs to be monitored so as not to cause defective products in the long run. Poor quality can cost a company significantly and thus needs to be controlled and monitored. And one way to ensure a quality product is to build quality into the process.